Hi guys, Alejandra from the camp, and I have an awesome new recipe for you. You're gonna love it, perfect for the holidays. It's pumpkin bread with frosting. So pay attention. I'm gonna show you really quick what I did. I just took a half a cup of the brown rice flour, just half a cup, 1 full can of pumpkin, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of cinnamon, and 1 full cup of vanilla protein powder. You can use any kind of protein powder. You don't have to use this one. I am always buying different ones, always checking them out. So this one works decent. You just mix that together and then preheat the oven to 350, pop it in for about 20 minutes. It'll come out really nice and moist. And then for the frosting, you just get 2 scoops of your protein powder again and 4 tablespoons of almond milk. Mix it together. It quickly turns into this great frosting. It's totally delicious, low in calories, totally low in fat. You're gonna absolutely love it. You have to try it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys at the camp.